Under the gifted children module, now today we are going to learn about some sort of developments and the programs what we can do for the gifted children. Now actually, before we are going to talk about the gifted children, now we know all the children, they have to get kind of a proper development. So under the development, especially we are talking about the social development and the emotional development. Now, maybe you all know under the social development means when they are going to stay in the society, when they are going to be with their peers, how are they going to balance them, how are they going to manage them, and how are they going to behave in a proper manner. So all those things only we are learning under the social development. So that is really needed. The social development, if they do not have a proper social development, they don't know how to be with the other children. So therefore it is really needed from the small grades, we have to explain them how to be with the other people in the society. So that is extremely important. These are some of the things where we identify under the social development. The first thing is develop language skill. Of course, we can understand when they are being with the other children, they will learn many more things. But remember, we have to identify both sides. Sometimes they will grasp the negative things when it comes to the language. Sometimes maybe they will learn wrong words, right? Feel the words. So we have to be very careful that always they have to learn the positive things and they have to stay in this positive cycle. That also really needed. So of course, through these social development, they will develop their language skills. Apart from that, they will strengthen their learning skills because they know how to compare with the others. With that, they will learn that part as well. And all these three things, like how to be with the other people, and how to build the self-esteem, and without having any kind of fight, how to be in harmony, and the positive attitudes, all those things they develop when they develop their social development, right? And when it comes to the emotional development means, now they have to identify how to recognize, express, and manage feelings, as well as how to respect to the other's feelings. So emotional development also really needed, because if they develop the social and the emotional development, they can be a perfect person, right? So the gifted children also, they need the similar concept like that. And especially when it comes to the gifted children, they also have to have these social development and the emotional development, because when they have that in a proper manner, they can develop their future, or they can develop their things. So it's really needed. They have to have that in a proper manner. Now, these are some of the ways where we can use for the gifted children to improve their social emotional learning, right? Maybe we can ask those gifted children to be with the other children. That means with the similar mental age. So then they can surely grasp many more things and they can develop their emotional and the social part, right? Apart from that, we can give kind of a professional support, professional guideline for them. And through the proper educators, even we can help them when they really want to improve their social and emotional development. Thank you very much.